In a national survey by Food and Nutrition Research Institute of the Department of Science and Technology on April 2014 to adult Filipinos, the average height of males is 163 cm with a standard deviation of 6 cm, and the average height of females is 151.4 cm with a standard deviation of 5 cm. The claim states that the average height of adult male Filipinos is 163 cm and the average height of adult female Filipinos is 151.4 cm.
In this video, we will be knowing if the average height of adult males and females in our barangay has no significant difference to the national average height.
Through the aforementioned claim, we have formulated the hypothesis for the situation.
Null hypothesis. The average height of adult males and females in our barangay has no significant difference to the national average height.
Alternative hypothesis. The average height of adult males and females in our barangay has a significant difference to the national average height.
To test the null hypothesis, we conducted a survey among at least 30 adults, 15 females, and 15 males and measured their heights one by one.
So, here are the selected males and females whose height were measured.
So, here is the list of the heights of each male and female from our survey. We will be using this data to compute the sample mean height.
Now, to compute the sample mean height of females in our barangay, we are going to add all the data and then divide it by 15 since we have a total of 15 datas.
As seen in the calculation, the sample mean height of females in our barangay is 152.2 cm.
For the sample mean height of males in our barangay, we are also going to add all the data and then divide it by 15.
As seen in the calculation, the sample mean height of males in our barangay is 164.8 cm.
Now let's look back at the aforementioned null hypothesis. It is stated that the average height of adult males and females in our barangay has no significant difference to the national average height. We will be testing if this null hypothesis is correct. To do this, we will be computing the t-value using the formula t equals the sample mean minus population mean divided by the standard deviation of the sample over the square root of the sample size.
We will first compute the t-value for adult female's height. So here we have a sample mean of 152.2, a population mean of 151.4, a standard deviation of 5, and a sample size of 15.
As shown in the calculation, the computed t-value is 0.62.
We will now compute the t-value for adult male's height. So, we have a sample mean of 164.8, population mean of 163, a standard deviation of 6, and a sample size of 15.
As shown in the calculation, the computed t-value is 1.16.
Now we will determine the critical value from the table of t-values. We will be using 14 as a degrees of freedom, one-tailed test at 95% confidence. As shown in the illustration, the critical t-value is 2.145.
Now we will sketch a t-distribution curve showing the rejection area and the non-rejection area. As you can recall from the previous calculations, the computed t-values are 0.62 and 1.16. As seen in the illustration, both the computed t-value were at the left of the critical value. It can be seen that the computed t-value is less than the critical value. Thus, the computed t-value falls at the non-rejection region. The collected data suggests an insufficient evidence to disprove the null hypothesis. Therefore, we failed to reject the null hypothesis.